What's going on, everybody? I wanted to do a quick little update video. This is not gonna be very long at all, but I have a couple of things I want to just get off my chest, and that's the beauty of having an audience like you. I could just talk to y'all, and sometimes I just want to talk. So I want to talk a little bit about not half-assing things. I'm a perfectionist at heart, and I want to just do everything the best of my ability. I don't like cutting corners in anything in life. It might be kind of windy out here, so I apologize if it's picking up some wind noise. A lot of stuff is happening all at once right now, and I don't want the fact that it's all happening at the same time to cause any of those things to suffer. Generally speaking, I have like tunnel vision with things. I just like go, put my head down and grind through it all, and that's fine. Like, I don't mind the grind. I like it. It just excites me. But when things outside of my control start coming into the picture, and then just the sheer amount of stuff going on starts having a negative impact on the overall goal and then other people involved, it's bad news. I don't like that. So just to kind of bring this full circle and give you an idea of what I'm talking about, we got Deeper State Keto is launching on the 23rd, on Monday. So super excited about that. We're all going crazy to make that happen. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. So that's really awesome. Just use awesome like 3 times there. The Keto Brick has launched, and we're just in production mode there. Really windy right now. But I'm waiting on some ingredients, and they got delayed in shipping. Man, it's windy. Should have rethought my location here. But I'm waiting on some ingredients. They got delayed in shipping. They were supposed to come early this week. We were gonna make a bunch of bricks and get them to y'all because I know you're wanting them, and I apologize that we haven't got them to you already, but they've got delayed in shipping, and it turns out they're gonna be coming in during the peak week for Crystal's competition, which is next week. And we thought about just pulling 2 all-nighters in a row, making a bunch of bricks, getting them all shipped out while getting all the Deeper State stuff together, and like something, it's just not gonna work that way because we're just not gonna sleep. And I'm usually all for just not sleeping, but Crystal's been prepping for the past 21 weeks, and she needs complete focus, and I don't want any of the keto brick stuff to distract her from what she needs to be focused on. And right now, that's the freaking competition. Like, you work 21 weeks for something prepping, like, you don't want to have to stay up 2 nights in a row. That's gonna cause inflammation. It's just gonna cause stress. Cortisol is gonna be increased. That could hinder her in her competition. Like, it's not worth it for her. And she's not complaining. She's not making excuses. She's all for making the bricks. But I don't want to put her in that position. I don't want her to have to like look back on this and be like, man, I wish I could have just done a little bit more. Man, it's windy. I wish I could have just done a little bit more. I don't want her to have to be in that position. And I don't want Deeper State to suffer because I don't want to be like sleep deprived, but I'm trying to get the last little polishing details on that. So what we're gonna do is rock out Deeper State Keto. It's gonna go live as planned on the 23rd. Crystal's gonna kick butt in her competition, and she's gonna look amazing, and I'm gonna be there for her, and I'm not gonna be so distracted by work that I can't be the boyfriend and the coach that I need to be. So I'm gonna give her my all because she's giving this prep her all. And then Keto Brick, we're gonna rock out Keto Brick too, but it's gonna happen after her competition. And again, I feel bad about that because it's been like a month since launch, or it will be by the end of this all. So I apologize for that. But I ordered another batch of ingredients, so we're gonna have some more on hand. We're gonna just make a huge supply. Like, we're gonna double what we were gonna make. So everybody's gonna get a brick, hopefully. We're gonna make twice what we thought we were gonna make. The people that didn't get their bands the last time, I'm gonna get y'all fixed up with the bands and the bricks like I promised before. And we're gonna make it all work, okay? I promise we're gonna make it all work. These are those times where like, you don't know if you should just jump or if you should just like hold back, and we've all jumped for this. We launched Keto Brick, we're launching Deeper State, Crystal's doing her first competition prep. Like, we're all just going for it. And this is one of those times where like, yeah, kind of stumble a little bit. Like, it's not all just syncing up like we had hoped for, but we're gonna get it all done. We're gonna be proud of what all we did, and it's gonna be great. And I just I want to apologize for it not always being streamlined for you, and I just ask for your patience and your forgiveness, and yeah, I just ask for your patience. I mean, that's the main thing. Like, it's me, Crystal, Matt, and Mega, and the 4 of us are doing all these things. Like, Crystal's doing her prep, we're doing the keto brick, Matt, Mega, and I are doing deeper state. We're bringing Crystal on to help with that. There's a lot of things moving right now, and I'm not making this video to make excuses. I just want to give you a quick little update, kind of give you a time frame on when things are going down. But please be patient. I promise I'm gonna make it worth y'all's while. I promise I'm not gonna cut corners, and I promise I'm not gonna try and get it all done, but at the expense of it being done with quality. I'm not gonna half-ass any of these things, because they all 3 demand and deserve my best. And that's what I'm gonna give them. So, the bug just flew in my eye. Thanks for everything. I appreciate y'all, and yeah, I appreciate y'all more than you know. So, we'll be in touch. Take care.